If you have not been watching my video before, I will advise you to watch this particular video to the end because this will actually help you to achieve a lot, to improve in your trading activities. Okay, so because yesterday I actually generated some trading signals and I dropped those signals within the Telegram channel before sleeping, and this morning you won't believe what we got. Uh, Guys, we made thousands of dollars just between yesterday night and this morning alone. Okay, and do not take my word for it. I'm going to show you what we actually achieved within the Telegram channel. Okay, so right here is a screenshot of what we achieved with the Telegram channel. You too can also go to the Telegram channel and check it out. You're going to see all this there. You can see my name, you can see the number of subscribers right there, and of course, you can see all the TPs that we achieved this morning already based on the signals which we dropped yesterday night. Okay, so this is amazing, and I'm really happy we are able to achieve all this together. Okay, so congratulations to those of you who are within the Telegram channel that have taken action on all these trades. Okay, so quickly I will be sharing with you the exact steps which I took before I was able to generate all these trading signals so that you too can learn those actions. Can learn to take those steps and take advantage of the opportunity. Okay, so once you learn the strategy, you should be able to generate the signals on your own. You don't even need to wait for me. And of course, if you want to wait for my own, you can always do that. It is 100% free so far you are within the Telegram community. So this is very, very important. So guys, before I go fully into it, okay, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel because that's the only way you can be updated each time I upload a training video like this. Okay, let's quickly go straight into what we have right here. So, just like you guys have known, the strategy which I have been using is a trend trading strategy. But I have something which I always add to it in order to give me more confirmation. I realize that that stuff always help me to streamline my analysis to a particular period, and it will also help me to know what happened in the previous period before now. Okay, so this is very, very important, and that thing is period separator. Period separator will help you to know the start of the day and when the day is going to end. Okay, and you will be able to say what is going to happen before the day comes to an end. Okay, so I'm going to do something quickly. I'm going to open a new chat. I'm going to open a new chart. I'm going to, okay, let's see. Okay, let's go to GainX 1200, a new chart for GainX 1200. So let me see this chart window. Okay, this is not it. Let me try this chart window. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200, just a plain chart without any of my setup on it. Okay, so I'm going to remove the grid. Okay, first of all, let me take it to 15 minutes time frame. This is how it looks like on 15 minutes time frame. So I'll try to remove the grid so that we can see it clearly. We can have a better view of it. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to achieve right here. So that is what I am trying to achieve right here. So I'm just going to remove the grid. So the grid has been removed. So this is just the plain chart. Okay, so just looking at this chart, we might find it difficult to analyze better without we having any specific indicators on it, except if you know more about candle movement or patterns. Okay, we are on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so but there is one thing I want us to do. Okay, you right click on your chart. You can also do this on your mobile platform also. It works with the mobile platform. So you go to properties, make sure it is under show. Okay, and make you can now go to show period separators. Okay, I did video about this yesterday, but some people are yet to really get it well. Okay, so you click on OK. So this is period separators, and we are on 15 minutes time frame. This is what this thing is going to do. Okay, it's going to give you, I mean, you can see all these lines. Okay, all these lines are showing the beginning of a period and the end of the period. So this is from 19th. 19th is starting from this line, and ended it ended on the 20th. On the 20th. Okay, so which means we've actually spent 24 hours within that period. Right now, we it started a new period around here, and it will end within the 24, I mean in 24 hours time, sorry. So the new period started here, okay, and it will keep on going within that period, and it will end in 24 hours, okay, in 24 hours time. So I picked up the trade when the new period started, and remember the last I was in the last period, okay, which was yesterday. So it got to this region, to the resistance, and it started going down. We've already gotten a downtrend signal, we've gotten a sell signal, and it's ended the period at this point. And when it started a new period, okay, it continued in that direction. So it gave me more assurance that this is going to sell. Okay, so I decided to sell, and it sold it till it got to the last stage. Okay, right now the period is yet to come to an end because we are still within 24 hours. Okay, so and definitely this is going to go back up again. It's most likely for it to go back up again because it has gotten to the support region. And if it's unable to break out from there, we only need to get the right signal for us to move into it. And of course, it will keep on going until it gets to the final bus stop. Okay, now this is a chart without the indicator. This might be very difficult for you to analyze better. Now, let me take it back to the same chart with my custom made indicator, and also applying the period separator to it. Okay, now this is my own custom made, I mean, this is my own chart with my custom made indicator, and you can see even it is more glaring this time around. And also add the period separator on it. Okay, so we are having the period separator on it, and that is how I also got the signal which I dropped yesterday. So if you should notice, in the previous period before the new period started in the night, okay, because the new day, I mean, the new the market opens in the night in my own time here. Okay, so before the new period started, okay, so it's four of us got to the resistance zone at this point. So we have to wait for it if it will break out from there. Since it's unable to break out from there, it came down and switched into a downtrend and gave us a sell signal at this point. Before the period started, I mean, before that period came to an end and a new period started. Okay, so when the period came to an end at this spot, we had a new period around there. It started, so I gave it time to play around there first before it will trigger my entry point. So that is why I had to set my entry point to this point, because this has gotten to the resistance zone already. It has given us a downtrend signal, it has given us a sell signal, and of course, guys, it means that within the new period it should sell for a while before it will switch the direction back, if it's going to switch. Okay, so I added my entry point to this, and I put my stop loss at the where we got this signal. Okay, it is also at the resistance zone. Okay, so I gave us some highlighted TPs. We are on 15-minute time frame, so this is huge, guys. So TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and TP5. Okay, you can see we achieved all the TPs, guys. We achieved all these TPs, and this is still selling. This is still selling. Okay, so we are actually waiting because the period is going to end on this line, and it is going to end on this line, and it will be in the night. Okay, it will be in the night. It's going to end on this night because for each period usually lasts for 24 hours. Okay, so this is going to be in the night. So it should come to an end this night. Okay, so this is very, very important. So once this comes to an end, then definitely we will be waiting for the next opportunity. But for now, it has gotten to this support zone, so I am waiting for it to switch into an uptrend. Immediately it switch into an uptrend and it gives me a buy signal, I will jump into it again and milk it till it got to the end of the period. Okay, so you can see that this actually helps us to understand the market per period, and it also helps us to even put the trend trading strategy into good use. And with this custom made indicator, it makes it very easy for us to analyze better. And we can always use the last period or the previous periods to analyze what is happening in the current period. Okay, and because you know when the period is starting, it helps you to decide where the market is going and what you should do with the opportunity at hand. So I think this is another opportunity for you guys to tap into. So I will be coming up with more videos on this and see how we can milk it for a very long time. As you can see, even with the fact that I can easily say when the period is starting, I am still using stop loss because anything can happen within the market. Don't throw your stop loss away whenever you are placing your order. It is very, very important in securing your capital. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. Like and share these videos with friends and family. If you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Thank you and God bless you.